Extended change interval. The Autolite Iridium XP automotive replacement spark plug is engineered to last for up to 100,000 miles depending on engine type, making it one of the most durable spark plugs on the market today. Fuel efficiency. These spark plugs utilize a 0.6 mm fine wire iridium center wire tip design with laser welded technology for maximum fuel efficiency. Our fine wire electrodes produce more focused and consistent ignitability, resulting in less fuel consumption. Optimal performance. This replacement iridium spark plug provides better durability and a more focused ignition for better overall ignitability and optimal performance. AUTOLITE ADVANTAGE. Autolite has been producing spark plugs since 1936, making it one of the most trusted and reliable brands for your OE replacement spark plug needs. Construction. Every iridium spark plug comes with a platinum-protected ground wire for maximum efficiency in all ignition types, including DIS systems, and a V-trimmed ground electrode for improved ignitability. Autolite Iridium XP is designed and engineered in the USA, is one of the brand's most technologically advanced spark plugs ever. These spark plugs provide better durability and a more focused ignition for better overall ignitability and optimum performance. Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs function for all makes and models, both foreign and domestic, provides the automotive aftermarket and original equipment manufacturers with the highest quality ignition products. Consider upgrading to Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs for increased performance. Autolite Iridium XP spark plugs are backed by an unmatched limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Correct plug for our car. I had the E3s before in our vehicle. The Iridium plugs are way tougher and longer lasting.